Yes, you read it right. Google Pixel Watch is unboxed ahead of time, and guess what? There are also a couple of features we are going to get with the Pixel Watch. A Reddit user gets his hands on the Pixel Watch and shared the unboxing images of the Pixel Watch. He didn't show the software but instead shared the design of the Pixel Watch, which is what we are expecting. But one thing to notice, from this we get an idea how big the Pixel Watch will be, and the answer is 41mm. Yes, matching the size of a smaller Apple Watch Series 8, and Google will launch Pixel Watch in only one size, which is eventually 41mm. Google Pixel Watch will come with a rectangular box, as the box is already a leak, and in the box you guys will going to get the USB Type-C along with the Pixel Watch and the band. Google Pixel Watch will come with some of the cool features which will help you to get a better user experience. Pixel Watch will get a heart rate tracking and sport activities, and one big thing, you guys will get a native support for the Google Maps and Wallet, and Google will also launch an eSIM option for the Pixel Watch. Google also brings some photo integration in the Pixel Watch, which will allow you to put your photo on the wallpaper, and also you guys will get a smart home controls and an emergency SOS call feature in the Pixel Watch, and also you guys will get a dedicated app for the Pixel Watch on Android. If you guys are not a big fan of big bezel, then Pixel Watch will not a best option for you, since it will come with the big bezel and for some people a deal breaker. Other than that, Pixel Watch will come with the OLED display with rounded edges and rotating crown just like the Apple Watch series. As we get the unboxing picture, we also get the price of the Pixel Watch, price for both US and the European markets, where you guys will get the Pixel Watch for €379 and for LTE versions, you guys will get for €419, where in the US, $349 for Wi-Fi variant and $399 for LTE version, matching the price of the Apple Watch Series 8. The battery is something we need to talk about, and as per rumors, Pixel Watch will last a full day, which is similar to the Apple Watch Series 8 and the Galaxy Watch 5, and the battery capacity is 300 mAh, quite similar to the same league of smartwatches. The only downside of the upcoming Pixel Watch is its processor, Exynos 9110, which is a processor from 2019, and Pixel Watch will potentially come with the 1.5GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. If you're up for getting a Pixel Watch, you may find some of the great pre-order deals from Google. The launch event is going to be held on October 6, 10 AM Eastern Time, and Watch will hit the market on October 13. In Australia, users find a Pixel Watch in a nearby store. So if you want to see his experience, you should check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.